Good morning, everybody. Today is February 3rd, 2020, and this is your stock market update / report part 2. What I would like to talk to you is that currently the stock market is bouncing back, but it's not too late to buy US securities, US stocks right now, due to the fact that we had a major sell-off in the last couple of days on Thursday, Friday, and if you were able to, lock in really good prices when the Dow Jones was like minus 300 points, minus 600 points, you're lucky. But still, Dow Jones is still offering a pretty good discount compared to the levels where it was traded, less than a week ago. The market is bouncing back. It's bouncing back very strategically, very conservatively. I don't see the huge, buy panic where everybody is trying to jump into the market and buy everything at any price possible, basically hitting market with not limit orders but market orders, where investors don't even say, don't even name their price. They just say, the market, give me the security, I don't care how much you charge me. What I see is that the market is going up step by step. Today there was an interesting point that the market opened 100 points up, and then I was watching the market and I saw how it was going up 150, 200, 250, 300 up, and the chart looked very smooth. Not really that many spikes, even though there were some huge orders that were placed that actually pushed the price up really quickly. But in most, the behavior that I observed is that investors trying to evaluate the risk, and they're trying to see how American economy is actually prepared to coronavirus or the health crisis in general. And what we see is that the virus is spreading rapidly, or relatively speaking rapidly, in China, considering that they have 1.5 billion people and they got like 17,000 people infected, which is actually a very small percentage point of the population. But at the same time, it's been already it's been a month or to 2 months since the virus actually was discovered and it was spreading, and we just have one death in one country, which is Philippines, that basically reported a lethal case. In most other countries, we have just people that are infected, but maybe with our latest medication, antiviral medications, they are recovering. So I have a feeling that people will get used to the fact that yes, we have a virus, just like they got used to the fact that we have AIDS or SARS or any other diseases that would originate in some parts of the world. But it's actually it's kind of good for the world and for economy, because it energizes the economy, it tests the economy, and it actually shows how capitalism and how companies can quickly and rapidly ramp up their production of face masks or any other needed product basically in a matter of hours to days and respond to this health crisis. For example, China just built a hospital for 1,000 beds in 10 days. You know, if we could do that, that's a very powerful response and very powerful sign that our economy, our world economy, Chinese economy, American economy is very strong. And you would be foolish not to invest into such economy and via the stock market and buying the, you know, maybe ETFs. I would recommend you right now to invest into Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ 100 via buying the following ETF. One is called DIA, David Ice Apple. This ETF matches Dow Jones Index. The next one is SPY, like the word spy, like in movies for James Bond, SPY. This ETF matches S&P 500. And the last one is QQQ, 3 Qs, and this ETF matches NASDAQ 100. All 3 ETFs are bouncing back. They had a very nice drop in the last couple of days due to coronavirus. Now they're selling at discount. To find other great ETFs to buy, go to the website foretf.com. That will take you to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run this app on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.